In this express cover, I'm going to show you each part of Graceland by Paul Simon in a brief, concise manner, with the chords, lyrics, and tabs all scrolling along at the top of the screen. And this is the fastest way for you to see exactly how to play this song. But if you'd like a more in-depth, step-by-step tutorial, I'll put a link to one in the corner and down below. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2 3 E and a 4 and a 1 E and a 2 and a 3 E and a 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and a 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 comes back to tell me she's gone. As if I didn't know that, as if I didn't know my own bed. As if I never noticed the way she brushed her hair from her forehead. She said losing love is like a window in your heart. Everybody sees you're blown apart. Everybody sees the wind blow. I'm going to Graceland. That was each part of Graceland by Paul Simon in a simple acoustic way. If you want a more in-depth tutorial, you can find that in the corner and down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more lessons. Also, don't forget to grab your copy of my free ebook. It's 100% free, and it goes over all the basics of rhythm guitar. And this will help you blast past the basics and become a confident strummer. I also have some premium courses that take that even further. There's info on all that in the corner and down below. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.